This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by mona.ghobrial. Lovely two-story contemporary home in the heart of Greenbrier with open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, new flooring, paint, bathrooms and two-car garage. The kitchen has white cabinets, stainless steel appliances and a huge breakfast bar. Newer roof and HVAC. Extended patios for plenty of space for outdoor entertainment in the fully oversized and fenced backyard with storage shed. Many updates in the past 3 years. Close to shopping, expressways and basins. A perfect place to call home. For more information, review the details below.